Ever wanted to model a building in Rhino but didn't know where to start? In this quick tutorial, I will show you an easy way to create a simple building, perfect for beginners and architecture students who want to improve their Rhino skills. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. Rhino 3D. Thanks for being here and for supporting the channel. Let's get started. Draw 3 boxes in 3 different sizes, then place the boxes vertically. Draw a small box for stairs and copy it several times. By holding Ctrl-Shift left-click, select the side surface of the stair and extend it. Select the bottom surface of the stairs. Then, by using Set XYZ coordinates, align all the bottom surfaces in the Z direction. Use the Boolean union command to unify the boxes. Draw a rectangle for doors. Next, fillet corners for a better result. Copy the arched door and scale it to use for other parts. Draw a circle as a small window. Use copy and scale many times when you're done. Use copy and scale many times when you're done. By using Set XYZ coordinates, align all the doors and windows in the Y direction. Use Set XYZ coordinates again to align all the doors and windows, this time in the X direction. Add some small boxes on the building for a better look. Extrude doors and windows. Group all the extruded parts together to simplify the next steps. By using Boolean difference, subtract the extruded parts from the building to create windows and doors. The main building is ready. Just add some small details. It's up to you how many details and time you want to spend. By using the cylinder command, I drew some simple railings. Then, use a polyline, offset it, and extrude to create the top of the railings. That's it for today's video. I hope this helped you learn something new in Rhino. If you enjoyed it, watch these videos to learn more interesting things about Rhino 3D. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. I'll see you in the next video, right here on Mr. Rhino 3D.